Good morning. Okay, this is instructions for F.9 Division with Exponents. This particular IXL assignment primarily focuses on the quotient rule, which means we keep the base and subtract the exponents. And then if you get a negative exponent, you have to take the reciprocal and make that positive. So I will go through some of these for you. Here's the first one. It's 731. And you got exponent 6 and 5, so you're going to type in 731. Okay, and it does say keep positive exponents, but 6 minus 5 is positive. So you'll click this. We're going to type in a 1, and then you're going to click submit. Okay, the next one, if you notice, we have 865, but we have exponents of 2 and 7. So on this one, this is how you would do this one, 865 to the second power over 865 to the seventh power. Okay, same process every single time you get a negative exponent. Okay, 2 minus 7 is going to give you a negative 5. The negative exponent rule says we take the reciprocal. So the reciprocal is just kind of flipping it upside down. So this is the reciprocal, 1 over 865, and then we're going to take that exponent of negative 5 and we're going to make it positive. When you enter this in on IXL, you'll type, actually first you're going to click this to get it into the exponent, or the fraction part. You're going to type 865, and then you're going to click the exponent box, and our exponent over here was a negative 5. We're going to make it positive now. So we'll type in a 5 and you hit submit. Okay, the next one, we have 666 to the 6th power divided by 666 to the 8th power. Okay, so again, 666 to the 6th power over 666 to the 8th power. Okay, 6 minus 8 equals negative 2. So that's going to give us a base of 666 to the negative 2. Okay. Here's how some previous students have done this, how they thought about that. They say when they're changing it to a fraction, they just put a line over it, put a 1, and make that a positive sign. Okay. So again, reciprocal is just taking basically your multiple inverse of that, turning it into a fraction, and then making your exponent positive. So again, I have to click the fraction. I'm going to type a 1, 666, horrible numbers here, I apologize for that, and a 2. So I hit submit, and that's all that we're going to do with this one. This one again, 179. When I subtract the exponents, I'm going to get a negative 1. So I'm going to type in my numbers here. And then I have to click the exponent box. 7 minus 8 is negative 1. I type that in and I click submit. Oh, do you see what I did wrong here? Okay. This is where I got a little too ahead of myself. I typed in a negative 1, so I'm actually glad I made this mistake because it says use positive exponents. Okay, so if you make a mistake, it's definitely worth taking the time to look at it. So that's just me not paying attention. So let's try again. I got 872 and 8 minus 8. Okay. Actually, this one would give us an answer of 1 because anything divided by itself is 1, but it wants us to use positive exponents. So I'm going to type 872. My exponent is going to be 0, and then I will submit. Okay. The next one, 181. I got 2 minus 5. I'm going to be careful this time. Okay, I'm going to change it to a fraction. 881. My video is about to stop here, and I'm going to type in a positive 3, and that's where this video is about to stop.